Alright, last problem of the night. The goal is to basically find every variable, by process of elimination. You have to use every single equation here to find every variable. I'm going to start with the top and bottom because I see the positive 2z and negative 2z, and those are pretty easy to get rid of without having to do very much work, just kind of combining everything that's already there. These are going to take a while for me to write out, sorry. So from here, you can see, left with 8x plus 8y. These cross out, so you're not dealing with them anymore, and then you're going to leave that one alone for just a little while until you get your other equation. I'm just going to bring in my notebook here, makes it a little easier, a little bit quicker. So now I need to do, you see my equations here, I need to do 4x plus 5y plus 2z equals 4, and then I need to do my middle one, which is negative 2x minus y plus 6z, was that 6? Yeah. 6z equals negative 24. From here, sadly, you do have to fix the z's up just a little bit. Timesing those by 3 will do that. I'm just going to write it right under here, so I'm left with my negative 12x, let's see, negative 15y, and then my negative 6z, which is what I'm going to use to cross cancel the z's out again. Right there, I cross cancel, and I still have my negative 14x, and now I have negative 16y, which equals negative 36. Okay, from there, you have your 8x plus 8y equals 16, and now you have a negative 14x minus 16y equals your negative 36. They still don't match, so you need to, I would times by 2, get rid of these y's now that we've gotten rid of our z's completely. So just write it under here again. I've got my 16x, now I've got a 16y, and then 2 times 16, I've got a 32 here. Solving those are going to cross cancel now. Negative 14 plus 16 leaves you with a 2x, and then negative 36 plus 32 is going to leave you with that negative 4. Divide those, and then x equals, get that paper out of the way, negative 2. Alright, now that we know x equals negative 2, we'll write that up there. I've got my extra work here. Now I know that I did have like my 8y. Sorry. Whew. These are super long. You lose your brain after a while. 8, and I have a negative 2 using a previous equation that I had, an 8y, which still equaled that 16. I can solve that, so I know that's now a negative 16. My 8y still remains, and I saw my 16, so yeah. 16 plus 16, so that 8y there, those canceled. Still have that 32. You know your times tables. It's pretty simple. 32 divide 8, you're left with y equals 4. There's our second variable. And then now to solve for z, as we got rid of it. So you can just choose any equation you want, basically. It's really up to you. 4, I'm just going to do the very top one. 4 times negative 2 plus 5, 5 times y plus 2, still don't know z, and that equals 4. Now I'm here. Negative 8 is 4 and negative 2, and plus 20. Still working on that 2z. We're adding 8, minusing 20, all to 4. So I'm just going to write that all out kind of right there. Still left with that 2z. And now 4 plus 8 is 12, minus 20, got that negative 8. Divide 2. Z equals negative 4. And that is it. X equals negative 2, y equals 4, and z equals negative 4.